Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make shrimp ajoarriero style. To make this recipe for 4 people, you'll need 1 box of Argentinian red shrimp, 800 grams Grand Krust, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, vinegar, salt, and olive oil. Start by peeling the shrimp and removing the intestines. Next, put a lug of olive oil in a pan. Brown the shrimp heads and garlic slices. Press the shrimp heads to release their flavor. Remove the shrimp heads and add the paprika. Stir it once and add the vinegar. Allow the alcohol in the vinegar to evaporate. Season the shrimp tails and add to the sauce. Cover the pan and let the shrimp finish cooking a few more minutes in the residual heat. The shrimp ajoarriero style are ready to serve. Enjoy!